All right, here's a video of the dishwasher I just received just a couple hours ago. Just installed it, has not been even used once yet. So let's take a look. If you look at this bottom rack, look how it lines up. So this guy is totally crooked. It looks like the reason why is that this runner that it goes on has been banged up, and it looks like somebody tried to bang it back down. Clearly this thing has been dropped. So this side looks nice and straight. This side looks like somebody took a hammer to it from the bottom, or it fell on the bottom and then they took a hammer to the top. So clearly this guy has been damaged, and you can see actually when those wheels hit that part, it goes in, and that's what's turning this whole thing and making it cockeyed. Here's the second thing I'm not too happy with. I understand that they probably run these things to run them with water to make sure that they work well. But look at this guy. Are you telling me you ran it and this is what's growing inside? We've already got like mold going on, and I don't know. I question if this has been used. This is a refurbished. What's going on here? But this is nonsense. This is nonsense. I have not run it one time. Definitely not happy. Definitely not, you know, and then what do? So now I'm gonna play the game of returning it, waiting forever, and meanwhile I've got 3 kids and we need a dishwasher that works. So strike one against KitchenAid. Not too stoked on this at all. All right, friends, hope this helps anybody out there. KitchenAid, I plan on sending this to you. But that's ridiculous, my friends. This guy's been clearly dropped. This guy goes straight in. As soon as those wheels hit that part that's been dropped, it makes this all cattywampus. So, not too happy, boys.